You guys are watching Dikshya vlogs. There are a lot of drones welcoming the new year 2024. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Oh my god, like I'm gonna see the fireworks, but you know, I think it's here now. Then please subscribe. It's crazy. Hi guys, this is Dikshya. You guys are watching Dikshya vlogs, and if you guys are watching me for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button right here and be a part of this amazing family. So today is 31st December of 2023, and I am right now at Chonglo. As you can see, the building behind me, Bell Tower. So basically, I'm here to celebrate New Year 2024. So let's see how it goes here. You can see a lot of people here. It's very crowded, and I'm hoping for a really exciting start of the New Year. So let's begin. So it's like 11:33 p.m. right now, and you can see a lot of people around. It's very crowded, and a lot of people are here to see the fireworks. And I'm also here, so let's see how it goes. It's my very first time here, so I'm looking forward to a really exciting night. So let's begin. So you can see two guys on top of the metro station. They're acting like a celebrity. Now they ran down, and a lot of people are taking this video. You can see up there are a lot of drones taking the drone shot of the New Year Eve 2024. We all are waiting for the fireworks. Hello 2024. So guys, it's like 11:58 p.m. right now, and it's almost the time for welcoming the New Year 2024. So yeah, let's see. It looks so beautiful. 59. It's unbelievable. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Oh my god, like unbelievable, magical, wonderful, wonderland. Oh wow. I have no words literally. It's so beautiful. Happy New Year 2024 guys. So right now I'm in Xi'an and you can see the bell tower here. I thought we were gonna see the fireworks, but you know, I think it's here now. Happy New Year 2024, and I thought like there was gonna be a huge fireworks, but you know, there was nothing like that. Anyways, like there were like a lot of balloons in the sky, and looking at them, I had a really great beginning of the year, and I hope you guys also enjoyed watching it. So I think I'm gonna have to say goodbye for today. So it's like 12 a.m. right now, and just want to say Happy New Year. Have a blessed year ahead. Have a amazing year. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. So stay tuned. Bye. Can you imagine, even the snacks are done here because a lot of people. Oh my goodness, this is crazy.